Welcome to English with Colleen. Today you will learn about subject pronouns. What are they and how do you use them? And by the way, I'm tuning in here from beautiful Hamburg, Germany. First, let's talk about the subject. The subject is the person or thing doing the action or being described. Here are some examples. The girl is reading. The girl is the subject. The boy is dancing. The boy is the subject. Next, let's talk about pronouns. A pronoun is a word that refers to a person, persons, or a thing, things. Examples. The girl is reading. She is reading. She refers to the girl. She is the pronoun. So, what are subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are pronouns that replace the subject of the sentence. These are the subject pronouns: I, you, she, he, it, they, we, you, and they. I'm going to explain how to use these pronouns in this video. The pronoun in first person singular is I. First person refers to the person who is speaking or writing. Singular means one person or one thing. Use the pronoun I to refer to yourself. Examples: I am Colleen. I am an English teacher. I am talking right now. Note, the word I is always capitalized. It is never written as a small I. The second person singular pronoun is you. Second person refers to the person that is being spoken to or written to. Singular means one person or one thing. You. Use the pronoun you to refer to the person you are talking to. Examples: I am talking to you. You are learning English. Who are you? Comment below. There are 4 pronouns that can be used in the third person singular: she, he, it, and they. Third person is a person who is not speaking or being spoken to. Singular means one person or one thing. She. Use the pronoun she to refer to one girl or woman. Examples: the little girl is dancing. She is dancing. The woman is working. She is working. He. Use the pronoun he to refer to one boy or man. Examples: the boy is running. He is running. The man is working. He is working. It. Use the pronoun it to refer to one object or thing. Examples: the house is orange. It is orange. The dog is friendly. It is friendly. They. Use the pronoun they to refer to a person who has chosen to use the pronoun they, or someone who asks you to use the pronoun they for them. Examples: the person is running. They are running. First person plural, we. First person is the person who is speaking or writing. Plural means 2 or more people or things. We. Use the pronoun we to refer to yourself and one or more other people. Examples: Fatma, Pedro, and I are teachers. We are teachers. Second person plural, you, y'all. Second person is the person that is being spoken to or written to. Plural means 2 or more people or things. You, y'all. Use you or you all, y'all, to refer to 2 or more people you are talking to. Examples: you are learning English. Y'all are learning English. Note, y'all is more commonly used in the southern United States. Third person plural, they. Third person is a person who is not speaking or being spoken to. Plural means two or more people or things. They. Use the pronoun they to refer to two or more people who are not talking or being spoken to. Examples. The people are smiling. They are smiling. Just to review, here is a list of subject pronouns and their use. Now let's practice what you've learned. Use subject pronouns to describe someone in the comments below. And again, if you have any questions, comment those questions and I will answer them right away. Thank you for listening.